Hello guys, magandang shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Ayan, nandito kami sa pupunta po kami sa ayan, punta kami sa Park Island. At sumakay po kami ng ferry. Ayan, dito po kami sa pero alam nyo guys, sa sobrang ang mahal ng pamasahe. Sobrang mahal ng pamasahe. Ayan guys, nandito kami sa barko. Naging fisherwoman na kami.
So, ayun guys, tingnan namin kung oras ba ang biyahe natin. Puro 30 minutes na doon na kami. 15 minutes. So, galing kami dyan. Mataas na yan. So, we heading to the other island, Park Island. That one is the Saigon Park. We always stay there with my friend. Sometimes we get together. The Saigon Park.
The Lady of Island. The Lady of the Island.
This is the second time I go to the island. So,
Wow, ate, daming sundalo. Daming sundalo.
I must go to
Guys, ito yung mga sundalo na pupunta sa East Philippine Sea.
Talimod ka, hindi yan.
Mga sundalo, kasi may patik-patik yung sasakyan nila, oh. Mga pirata.
Naghahakot kayo ng bye-bye.
Mga pirata to. Pupunta sila sa susulong na sila sa East Philippine Sea. Yung mga iba naman cargo. Mga cargo yung mga iba. Ito yung tulay na mahaba na papuntang airport na po yan. Yan yung tulay na papuntang airport. Kaya medyo malayo-layo kung saan kami pupunta. Yan, di ba ang ganda yung pagkagawa nila ng mga dito. Napaka talaga. Ayan, ito yung naman yung port na yan, mga cargo. Diyan sila naman cargo. Yan, meron din mga gasoline station dito. saan ba yung gasoline station. Kikita po natin yung mga gasoline station. Basta may mga drum na guys. Ayan, gasoline station na yan. Dito din maglalapag yung mga airplane kung saan sila magagasoline station. Ayan, dito yung gasoline station area. Ayan. Yan ang gasoline station area. Thank you so much guys. Today is free day. We're going to Spark Island. We were going to visit there for the first time, and we were going to see if this island is beautiful or whatever. And hopefully next time you can join with us together to singing together, dance together, eat together, swim together, and together and together. And ayan guys, because this maybe this coming month, maybe we will going to another place like Singapore, Paris, USA, and Macau, and China. Yeah, we will going there, and then hopefully you can come together and you can join with us to enjoy life. Ayan guys, enjoy life and whatever, because life is too short, so we have time to enjoy ourselves while we still here in this world. And yeah, just enjoy guys. And this is the time to express our feelings. This place, you know guys, this is the very nice place to express your feelings, to shout your feelings, to release your pain. To release your pain, if you have headache, heartache, and backache. You can shout your feelings here. If you get headache, heartache, backache, whatever, you can shout here. Then yeah, nobody can hear you here. Then tomorrow is Monday. Then tomorrow you will be okay. And yeah, this is the place of Spark Island. So very nice. So nice guys. Then maybe next Sunday we will going to What island? Okay. Let's see guys if what place we will decide to go on by next Sunday. While waiting for the time for training, we will go back to training. Then for now we will going to enjoy ourselves. Then maybe next month, this coming week or next week, we are not free. So for now we will free, so we can enjoy until the end. This island, guys, is island of forever. If you have forever, you come here to get together to get together. You see that, guys? So nice place. Next time you will come with us, guys, then you can meet your forever. You can meet your forever love. Maybe your forever is here. So yeah, guys, just see what you see. See what you see, and see what you want. If what you want, you can bring home. You can bring home, and then it's your forever. Sexy ka nga pa, sexy. Di ka naman sumisexy. Ay, sa lidumay diwa. Yan, guys, we will arrive now. We will arrive now, guys. Here now in America, USA. Yan, dito na kami sa USA. Yeah, we will arrive now. Ayan, tignan nyo naman, guys. We were special because just only two of us here. Nobody can come here with us together here. Ayan, together again. Malapit na tayo. Dito na tayo. Baba na tayo. Ayan, guys, bababa na kami, guys. Kaya pala mahal yung sinakyan namin kasi ano pala to, special pala to sinakyan namin. Ayan, see you there, guys. Bye bye.